Hello today, this is to all computer system builders, if anyone's watching this video, because I need some advice. I'm thinking about building a computer, because that one there has just died. That's my Firebox Versatile PC, which I ain't even had 2 years, and maybe I've killed it, I don't know. Perhaps I've over modded it, perhaps the CPU's gone in it, or the motherboard, I don't know what's wrong with it. Every time I switch it on, it powers on. But when I power it on, nothing happens after that. The screen stays dead, no hard drive activity, no activity whatsoever. But as I say, the fans all spin round, so it's definitely not a power supply unit fault. It was going wrong because every time I started it up, it used to go into Windows, and suddenly it just shut down and restart for no reason. When I say shut down, it just used to reset itself for some reason and reboot Windows. So I don't know, perhaps there was an ongoing fault there. I can't tell you what the problem is, but all I know, my PC is dead now. Luckily I've got a spare PC over here to back me up with, which was pretty fortunate. But if there's any systems builders out there, just give me some ideas, like maybe what processor to go for, Intel or AMD. That was had an AMD in it, 8-core processor. What type of motherboard you'd recommend? As I say, I've got a lot of salvage. I can salvage a lot out of that because I've got a decent graphics card, I've got a decent sound card, I've got a decent PSU unit rather. 32GB of memory I could take out. So there's a lot of stuff I can salvage. A Blu-ray writer, DVD writer. I've got a nice fan controller here I can take out. So there's a lot of salvaging that I can take out. Maybe I'm going to get a new case. I want to get a new case for it because I don't like that case. So yeah, it'll be a totally new PC by the time I finish with it, if I decide to build one. I might buy one, I don't know. What is the best idea? Give me some advice if any computer builders out there. Give me some advice. What is the best, or what you would recommend? Be nice to hear your sides of the story. Oh, sides of the story. Your thoughts, your ideas. Any ideas I'll take on board. It gives me some idea for me to say, oh, that sounds good. That sounds good. Oh, I'll have a look at the prices. I don't want to spend a great deal of money on it. Enough, you know, because as I say, all I need really is a motherboard and a CPU. As the rest I've already got, and a new case. I want to get a new case for it as well, because it'd be nice to have something really nice. Sets it off. Yeah, please feel free to comment on my video or make a video response. What you've got, like a system, I can look at your system. I thought, wow, that's a good system. And I can get some ideas what to do next. Okay, I'll wrap this up now. Thank you for your time, for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.